Our honored mathematician this week is Maudel Tanner Brown Bousfield. She taught mathematics at Wendell Phillips High School after she was the first African-American woman to graduate from the University of Illinois. She later became the first African-American woman to be both an elementary school principal and a high school principal in the Chicago Public Schools. Well, we have a number puzzle this week, and several problem solvers were concerned about whether they could use blank squares. The problem of the week staff agrees the instructions were a little vague, but the staff thinks that these three words, on certain squares, imply that not all squares need to have coins. And of course, we were told that one of the squares is blank, as indicated by the star. Well, the first thing we're going to do is use real coins, and notice our special issue State of Illinois quarter. And then many of you know how we feel about stars at the problem of the week, and our first star is Frank Thomas, who was recently elected to the Baseball Hall of Fame. And then only 2 dimes will go in the middle row. And then we need a quarter to finish out the last column, and it has to go there because if it went in the top corner, the other diagonal would be too large. So we finish that column. We need another star, and that star is Althea Gibson, the first African-American to win a Grand Slam tennis title. She won 11 Grand Slam tournaments in her career. And then these 2 squares are next. They need a dime and a nickel. We tried a nickel at the bottom and a dime at the top. That led to a contradiction. So then we put the dime at the bottom, the nickel at the top. That works out so far. Then we put 2 dimes at the bottom because that's all that will fit. There's only 1 coin left in the 4th column. It has to be a dime. Then up here we needed 2 coins, a quarter and a dime. The dime needs to go in the corner because a quarter would make the first column too large. There's only 1 square left in the 2nd column, so it has to be a dime. Only 1 square left in the top row. It has to be a nickel. And then there's 2 squares left in the 2nd row, but a quarter is the only coin that will fit. It has to go there because if it went in the far left, it would make the first column too large. Only 1 square left must be a dime. A nickel must go there as shown. It's the only square left. We've met all of our totals, so we need 1 more star. Who else? Number 42, Jackie Robinson. Here's our answer to this week's problem of the week.